Hello guys, it's Brett Sondike, Director of Client Services, Amazon Seller's Lawyer. I just got an email just now, and it's kind of interesting in the sense of someone was suspended on ASIN block, not suspended, but the listing was different than his description of the product. It was a camera kit, and what happened was he changed one of the lenses in there to make actually a better lens than the description. This is still a violation of Amazon's policies. You did not match the description exactly, and therefore he had a violation. So we'll fight it. We've had very good success with this type of issue, and we're confident for a positive result, although nothing can be guaranteed in advance. So a word to the wise: if you have a description that you have to match, don't make it any better. If you don't make your product better or worse than the other person's, it has to match exactly.